Hey everybody, welcome back to Trinity Dairy. Don't forget to like and share the video, subscribe to the channel, check out our merch store. We got a link down below in the description. We got winter hats and caps and shirts, all kinds of good stuff, so check that out. And thank everybody. I'd like to thank everybody for all the support to our channel, all the subscribers and support to the merch store and everything. I really appreciate that. It really helps us out a lot. So anyway, this afternoon now, it's getting close to chore time. I haven't done too much outside today. It's been colder again. I think it's about 5 above right now, but then it's supposed to get down 20s, mid 20s, I think below zero tonight, and then cold tomorrow, and then warm back up. So, but anyway, right now, I got the B Farmall here. A lot of you know that tractor. The other night, that's been sitting here for probably a month. I had it on that feeder wagon, chopper box, and I went to move it and it wouldn't start. It was flooded. I thought the float stuck on the carb, but I've tried starting it a couple different times and nothing. So anyway, I got checking the electrical today, and I think this porcelain resistor is burnt out because I don't have any power coming out of it when the key is on. So I got a new one of them sent here, so I'm going to put that in. This still has the points in it. I probably should put electronic ignition in it, but that little tractor doesn't really get used that much, and I have never really had a lot of issue with the points or anything on it. So I'm just going to throw this resistor in. I got a new one, just got it dropped off here a little bit ago, so we'll throw that in and see if that fixes her up. Ready to see if she'll fire up? All right, I'll get this changed and we'll try it out. Hey, you want to hold the camera?
Sure. Where are you at?
Let's see if I got. Oh, that's a bigger. I'm gonna have to get a bigger wrench. It must be 9/16.
Maybe.
Probably have to get a couple of them. All right, I'll be right back.
Okay.
Got the socket maybe. Now we'll get her.
Maybe.
Definitely been on there for a while. I don't think I've ever replaced this one.
You know anyone who's replaced it?
Well, I think Great Grandpa put it on here because he switched it over to 12 volt. Okay, now let's see if we can get that apart. I think we should probably put a couple of ends on these wires. Alright.
Got it off?
Got that one off. Now we'll dig out the new one.
Wherever it is.
We might have to find a different spot to mount this though, because it's got a different holder. It's a smaller hole, I think. So we're gonna have to find something a little different there, probably.
You're just gonna have to take that bolt out and put in a smaller one?
Well, I think I can take and drill another hole in here and we'll just bolt it over here with a smaller bolt. Okay, we got it mounted in there. It's a little crooked. It's not exactly where I wanted to put it, but I'll wait till a warmer day. I'll find a little better spot for it, but it'll be nice and solid there for now. So we'll try it out now and see if it starts.
Hey, Dad.
Huh?
So nice. This tractor's so small it can fit right in the camera.
Yeah. So we're up here now. I got it hooked up to the grinder mixer here. I've just been feeding out of the back of this. I got ground ear corn in there. This had an unloading auger on it, but some of the flighting went bad, so I just took it off. So we just fill pails out of here. Just pull the door and fill 5-gallon pails to feed. When it's not going to be raining or anything, I don't mind leaving it sit out because a little bit of snow is not going to hurt it. But anyway, what's left in there is kind of hung up, so I'm going to see if I can spin it with the old B here and knock some of that down. Well, there, got that stirred up. A little bit of a load. This mixer pulls pretty hard. We used to have a 950 International, which is basically an Artsway. It's just a smaller model of this, but it used to run that one pretty well, but this 420 is a little bit bigger, so it puts a little load on that B, but it got it stirred up anyway. That's all I wanted to do, so I'm gonna go dump this out, lock these heifers up, and then I can get them some hay and put some bedding out on the bedding pack for them. Okay, I got the heifers locked in the barn there. We'll open the gate up. They got some hay left in the feeder, but I'm gonna dump them a little more corn silage in there. They'll have enough hay yet. I like them to kind of clean it up before I give them more. But I am gonna I've been kind of making a bedding pack out here instead of bedding them so much in the barn. If it's real nasty, I'll bed them in the barn, but I try to avoid it as much as possible just because it makes such a mess in there, and they like it better outside here anyway if it's not nasty and windy. So anyway, I'm gonna take the old Gale. I got the bale spear on the old 4400. I got an old straw bale here I think I can shake up. We'll put that out there for them and see how that goes. I'd use the newer skid steer, but I got to fix my bale spear for that one. It's got a bent spear. Jordan, you can leave that gate open. What? Leave that open because I got them locked in the barn. So we'll fire up the old 4400, and I got some swapped the plugs out on it, so it's running a lot better than it did last time. So we'll grab that bale and see if we can bust it up. Listen to that. Purrs like a kitten. I'll probably get a bunch of comments every time I have this thing on video. A lot of people comment about how dangerous it is without the cab, or where's the cab. My grandpa took the cab off a long time ago because it wouldn't fit in any of the buildings, because I think that cab sat quite a bit taller than like my new one. And it, I don't know, I think it's still around here, but I never put it back on. But I don't really see that it's any more dangerous than running an open station tractor with no rollover protection, like that B Farmall or anything like that. It's all on how you operate it, what you want to do with it. You know, I move bales around with it a little bit, but I'm not stacking bales up high or anything like that, where they're going to come rolling back on me. And that roll cage or whatever cab that was on here really is not that sturdy anyway. So it's one of them things. I know it's not on there, and I use the machine accordingly. But we'll take off and grab that bale.
Well, it's been a busy morning on the farm so far. Pizza just calved a little bit ago. Nice little heifer calf. He does this. And now our girl Twist is calving. Let's get started. Here's Twist heifer calf. It's a big girl compared to how little Twist is. I'm pretty sure this calf is bigger than Pizza's calf. Pizza's a lot bigger than Twist. Yeah, so this calf and Pizza's calf are by the same bull, so they're half sisters. Twist is more interested in eating than looking after calf. You gotta lick your baby off. Twist. You gotta clean off your baby.
Bring it there so